Good morning, everybody. We're going to make a healthy little snack. And what we're going to use is a banana and some blueberry yogurt of your choice, or any flavor yogurt that you would like. I have some beautiful Wymans fresh frozen mixed berries from Maine. Now, I wanted some fresh strawberries and raspberries and all that, but it's hard to find in the store here. So when I went to the store, I found this wonderful mix, and Wymans is a great company, and they're from Maine. What more could you ask for? But you can use whatever fruit that you would like on top. And I'm gonna pour some in here. Oh, look at these blackberries. Blackberries and raspberries and blueberries. And I think what I may do with the rest of this is make raisin jam. I'm not sure yet. So then what we're gonna do is, I saw this on Pinterest. I'm not quite sure how they did it or held it together, but they took you can take yogurt if you want, okay? This old banana is slipping and sliming on me. Put the banana, fill the banana with yogurt in the middle. Now, as some folks know, I'm not a big yogurt fan, but, must have clean hands, but sometimes you just have to have yogurt. And then you're gonna take berries. This is a strawberry, and I'll put a blackberry and blueberry. Oh, look at these raspberries. And you're just gonna put the berries on top, just like this. Oops, still got some hay from, I think it's hay in the strawberries from where they grew them. Just like this. This is gonna be yummy. And this is gonna be my breakfast this morning. Nice big blueberries. I would say those are high bush blueberries. Just like that. And then you're gonna take some honey oat cereal. And that's what this is right here. And you're just gonna put some honey oat cereal on top. Just to top it with. And there you have it, folks. You have blueberry yogurt, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and oat cereal. Doesn't that good? That's the healthy version. Now, do you want to see the unhealthy version? No, I wouldn't do that, would I? I'm trying to lose some poundage. I have some real cream here of your choice, but I'm only gonna do it to show you. I'm only gonna do a little bit. Can't give up everything I like. And then what I'm gonna do is top it with a blueberry. So there you have it, folks, right there. A little healthy breakfast snack for you or your children. Or if you're having a party, you could just put them in individual little containers and make little desserts. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let YouTube know that Grammie's got some stuff going on here. And you can find me on Pinterest as well, and Facebook. And on Facebook, I'm known as Maniac Grammie. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have Wymans in Maine, these are great berries to substitute when you don't have fresh. So everybody have a great day. It's gonna get 60 here today. Woohoo! And God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye now.